only in your mind. I'm back this week with another Teen Titans makeup. This time it is Raven. I've done other Teen Titan makeups, so if you haven't had a chance to check out my Beast Boy or Cyborg makeups, I'll put those links in my description box below. And you guys keep watching to see how I did Raven's makeup. Hey guys, I'm starting off Raven's makeup with this white face paint from Paradise, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a rough draft of Raven's face and her body on my face and body. And to do this makeup, I'm using several photos that I found online of Raven from Teen Titans, the animated cartoon series. Now for Raven's cloak, I mixed two colors from Paradise, and I used a dark blue with a purple just to get the right color, because I wasn't sure with several of the photos. It almost looked like she had a blue cloak and then a slightly purple cloak. So I just mixed those colors together, and I painted parts of my face, and later on I'll paint my body with that. In my photo that I chose of Raven, you could only see a little part of Raven's skin, and it was kind of grayish white, so I mixed some gray with some white to get her skin color. The black that I'm using here is one of my favorite blacks, and it is from Cameleon. Now when I did this part of her nose, I changed it up later on because I think I made it a little bit too far down and it looked too pointy. So later on I'll be fixing that. I'm going to fill in my bottom lip with that mixture of gray and white, and that will be her neck. And now it's time for her eyes, so I'm going to go ahead and use that black right above my eyebrows, and then use some Paradise white to start off the bottom of her eyeballs. And I'm going to place that white right under my eyes. So I decided to go ahead and just make the tops of her eyes straight across, and while that's drying, let's go ahead and work on her cloak. Now of course I'm using that same mixture, the blue and the purple from Paradise, and then I'm just going to fill in that area of her cloak. And for that round button on her cloak, I'm using a yellow from Paradise. Then right inside there, I'm going to use this dauber with some Cameleon black to make a nice circle inside of that yellow. So let's go ahead and finish off her body area with that black, and then because I have that black out, I'm going to go ahead and start filling in the negative space on my body. I also decided to extend the hood of her cloak onto my hairline, and then I'm just going to go ahead and finish up all of that negative space. Now I'm going to start doing some outlining with that Cameleon black, and I'm going to outline the button and give her some lines on her cloak, and then go to parts of her face. I'm going to do the bottom of my lips so it separates her face from her neck area, and really it's the bottom of my upper lip. So let's go ahead and remove part of her nose that's on my nose, and we're going to make that smaller, then fill in that area with that mixture of white and gray. For her eyes, I decided to make them purple, and I'm using that purple from Paradise, and I'm going to put it on a big dauber and just daub 2 dots on the tops of my eyelids. Then I'm going to fill in around those dots with some Paradise white. Then with a little dauber, I'm going to put some Cameleon black on and just daub some dots middle of that purple. Now she has a red dot in her button, And I'm going to erase that black, then put some Paradise Red inside there. And then for her mouth, which really drove me nuts and gave me a hard time, I'm going to place some white on the tip of my nose and right on the bottom of my nose, and then outline it with some black. And then inside of her eyes, I'm going to put 2 white dots in each eye. Then I'm going to outline with that black around her pupils. While I'm doing some highlights with a mixture of light purple and some white, I would like to thank you guys for sitting back and watching me do this makeup. I always have fun with you guys, and you guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching me do Raven's makeup from Teen Titans, the animated series. I've done other makeups from that series. I'll put those links in my description box below. And if you guys like this Raven makeup, please give me a like. And I will see you guys on my next makeup.